Alright, so I really like this emergency light because it's bright, reliable, and a must-have for any business or commercial space. I installed this one on a wall and it gives me peace of mind knowing that it'll turn on automatically if there's ever a power outage. I was sent this LED emergency light by TORCHSTAR and it's built with the backup battery inside. When I open the housing, you can actually see the built-in 3.6 volt rechargeable battery that keeps it running for about 90 minutes during a power failure. It's perfect for keeping hallways, exits, or work areas lit up when the main power goes out. The installation process was really simple. I connected the 3 wires using the included orange connectors. It's designed to stay off while the power is on, but as soon as I cut power to test it, both LED heads lit up instantly. Each head has 12 LED chips, and they're surprisingly bright, more than enough to light up a hallway or entryway in an emergency. For businesses, this kind of lighting isn't just convenient, it's essential. Whether you're running a shop, restaurant, or office, having a UL listed emergency light like this TORCHSTAR unit makes sure everyone can see clearly and exit safely during an outage. I highly recommend this LED emergency light by TORCHSTAR.